Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Bev B. I'm primarily a diamond painting channel. And if you are one of my fabulous diamond painting fart face followers, thank you for tuning into this video. I know that cross stitch isn't going to be for everyone, but I decided to do cross stitch video because I want to keep myself accountable for what I'm working on and just a way to track my own progress. If you are new here though, and you came from the cross stitch community and you don't mind seeing some diamond painting videos, all you have to do is click the subscribe button over here somewhere and you'll get notified when I upload new videos. So today I just want to share some of the works that I have in progress, some of my past cross stitch. I went through my storage and, oh, by the way, I should preface this. This is no way, not a Flosstube. It's not going to be a 40-minute hour, 2-hour video. I just want to share this stuff with you first because this is my baseline for where I'm starting again. So I actually did cross stitch in high school and my boyfriend's mom at the time showed me how to cross stitch. And I was like, oh, this is so fun. And I did a bunch of cross stitch. I made my own patterns and that type of thing. But then I kind of got out of it and I went to crochet. And so I learned how to crochet and I made Afghans, etc. But this is one of the very first cross stitches that I ever did. Just peas in a pod. This was from, if I don't know, I'm Canadian. So if you are Canadian, do you remember the store Lewis Crafts? This is, I believe, a kit from Lewis Crafts. It's really cute. But yeah, this one took me forever to do. Look at the back of it. I wish that I could find the ones that I did in high school because I was always like really anal about the back of my cross stitches, and I was like, oh, they have to all be facing the same direction, and they were really clean and nice. And then for some reason, when I picked up the craft again, I don't care about the backs. So this is a kit that I got from Michael's. I'm not a hot mess. I'm a spicy disaster. This I'm going to be making for one of my friends. If you're watching this, you don't know who you are, but this kit will be coming to you as a surprise in the mail if I ever complete it, which I will. This will be my next work in progress. I did go to my local needle shop and get a few things. My local needle shop, I am based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and it's called Craft Connections, and they're so nice there. Seriously, so nice. So I did get a few things. I do have a work in progress that I can't show because I am working on it for my dear friend and sister, Sandra West. So Sandra, I'm not showing that. If you thought you were going to see it in this video, no, because it's going to be a surprise. So first off, I love Plum Street samplers. Seriously, they're so cute. Look at these sloths just chilling in this tree. I also have another Plum Street sampler coming from a shop in Calgary, but it's so cute. And this is, what does it say? This model was stitched on 36 count American chestnut using 1 strand of floss over 2 linen threads. It's up where noted. I don't really know what I have to share because literally I don't really care about, like, these are the stats behind it because this is just freaking cute. And for me, I'm not going to actually follow like use this thread or use this suggested thread or use this suggested fabric. I'm just going to use whatever fabric I want and whatever floss that I want. Like, it doesn't, whatever. So this is just really cute. And I am in love with Plum Street samplers. Like, I want to collect all of them. Seriously, their stuff is so amazingly cool. I really love Plum Street, and I believe it's called Lindy Stitches. That is also one of my favorite designers. I also got this black cat kit because if you didn't know, I have 2 black cats, and this is a full kit, so it comes with floss, the fabric or the Aida, and everything else. So it contains pre-sorted thread, 14 count block Aida, needle, and instructions, and it's by Tina Lavoie for dimensions. So I thought this was really adorable. I love anything with black cats, so I was like, I need to get this. Another thing I got from my local needle shop was this fabric. So I'm going to take it out and I'll show you. But this is Aida 14 count, and it measures 18 by 27 inches from PTP Fabrics. And this costs $30. This I already have a plan for, well, for some of it. So let me just show you. Look how gorgeous this is. It's purple and blue. Hopefully the camera can kind of pick that up. Purple and blue. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's wonderful. So I actually got uh I got a pattern from the Black Needle Society vault. So from their night garden box, retreat box, there was the Savor Life pattern, which I'll put somewhere here, somewhere on the screen, or right here. I'll put that on the screen. I got that. And I was like, this is so pretty. Like I need this pattern. So I got it. And the Black Needle Society box was like pretty much what got me hooked on cross stitch again, because I love their boxes. Their boxes are so neat. I've been watching, is it Coco Hamas? Coco Hamas? I really like her videos from, she's like Flosstube, and I've been watching a lot of Flosstube. Usually I just watch diamond painting too, but I've been watching a lot of Flosstube lately. So I was like, okay, I need to get this Savor Life pattern. I guess Black Needle Society, correct me if I'm wrong, releases their boxes like 6 months in advance or something like that, or they're retreat in boxes. So obviously there's no way I can get my hands on a box. And I really love moths. And so the moth on this pattern was like killer. And they had a moth project bag. And I was like, oh, I want this project bag. But instead, because they didn't have it, I ordered this bag, which I'll put here. It's from an Etsy seller that's Canadian, and I'm really excited to get this project bag. I do have a smaller project bag from Cal's Crafts, but I wanted a big project bag. I also got Flossaway, this instant organizer for embroidery floss, and specialty threads. So all you do is you take this ring out, and then the bags go on the ring. Diamond painters actually use this to organize their drills and things like that. So I saw this on Jenny, the Uncrafty Crafters channel, and then I saw it at the needle shop, and I was like, hey, I need this. So I got this as well. And really, that's all I had to show you guys today. So I'm going to be working on Sandra West's piece. It's really cute, Sandra. I would say almost a quarter way done it. So it'll be a week or two, Sandra, but I'm going to work on it tonight. Like I've actually, like I diamond paint, but not for as long. And then I split the time between diamond painting and cross stitch. But yeah, I figured I would make this video, share this with you guys. I have another order coming from that store in Calgary. So when I do get that order in, I'll share it with you. I don't know when my next cross stitch video will be, but this was it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and it was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.